Hi students, welcome in our science section, chapter number 2nd, part 2nd, animal world. In previous part, you learn about animal, eating habits of animal, movements of animal. Now in this section, you are learning about water animals, breathing of animals and migration. First part, water animals. You must have seen a fish moving about in water. The fishes have fins for swimming in water. Fishes have two types of fins, and these two types of fins, paired limbs, are used to move forward and backward also. The unpaired fins maintain balance and the tail helps to change direction. A turtle can also swim. They have four paddle-like limbs to push water. Penguins use their two forelimbs as flippers to push water and swim. Animals like frog and ducks have webbed toes that help them to swim in water. In frogs, hind limbs are much longer than the forelimbs. This helps the frog in jumping. Now, breathing of animals. Animals breathe oxygen from the air to stay alive. They need oxygen to burn the food within their bodies. The burning of food in their bodies releases energy, and it energy is useful to various daily activities. Organs of breathing. Different animals breathe in different ways. Do you know how do we breathe? We have a pair of spongy elastic bags called lungs. We all breathe through our lungs. When we breathe, oxygen rich air enters our body through nose and windpipe into the lungs. From the lungs, the air goes to different parts of our body through the blood. There it helps to burn or break down the absorbed food and releases energy. The released energy is used by our body for doing different types of activities. Animals like mammals, reptiles, and birds breathe through lungs. They have two lungs. Oxygen passes from the air into the thin spongy walls of the lungs. From here, the oxygen is absorbed in the blood and carried to different parts of the body. Carbon dioxide produced after burning of food is breathed out. Means you understand student how breathing processes takes place. You breathe oxygen from the air and release the carbon dioxide out of our body. Then a fish breathes through its gills. Water enters through the mouth of fish and passes out through the gills. The oxygen present in the water has dissolved. Oxygen is absorbed by the blood through the gill. The carbon dioxide is released from the blood. The water containing carbon dioxide leaves the body of the fish through the gill cover. Means student, you understand? Fish is a water animal and it breathes through its gills. Animals like prawns, crabs, oysters, and tadpoles also breathe through gills. A baby frog or tadpole lives in water and breathes through gill like a fish, but an adult frog breathes through lungs on land and through its moist skin under water. Means frog is an amphibian. When frog present on the land, it breathes through the lungs, and when frog present in the water, it breathes through moist skin. Next, insect. Insect like cockroach, caterpillar and grasshopper breathe through air holes present on their bodies. These are called as spiracles. The spiracles lead to air tubes which form a network that reaches every tissue of the body. Air enters the body through the network. This body tissue take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Means student, you understand? Insect like cockroach, caterpillar and grasshopper having air holes present on their bodies and it is helpful for breathing. An earthworm breathes in oxygen from the water present in the moist soil through skin. Microscopic animals or microbes like amoeba and paramecium breathes through their body surface. Means earthworm also use body surface means skin, and microbes are also used for breathing body surface. Now regeneration in animals. Regeneration of in animals is happen? No, but it is happen in the plant. Means the growth in animals is different from that in plants. If any part of a plant like leaf or branch is broken or damaged, a new leaf or branch grows in its place. But animals do not. Generally develop new body parts. If some of their body parts are broken or damaged, if a dog loses its leg, new leg is not grown in its place. Means regeneration of parts takes place only plants, not in the animals. Next part, migration of animals. Animals have natural tendency to adapt according to surrounding. When they fail to adjust to the surrounding, they either die or shift to other places that suit them. The movement of animals from one region to another at a particular time is known as a migration. Migration means what? It is changing the place at the particular time. It is called a migration. Why they are migrate? The animals migrate to avoid unfavorable weather condition, search for food, reach their safe breeding places. Many fishes, mammals, insects, and birds migrate. When the condition becomes suitable, they return back to their original homes. Listen about the Arctic tern. The Arctic tern is an interesting migratory bird. It travels a distance of about 1,70,000 kilometers from its original home in the Arctic region to the other end of the earth in the Antarctic. It travels the same distance when returns back again in the same year. Some birds like Siberian cranes come to India from Siberia in winter. The European stork travels from Europe to Africa every winter. It returns to Europe in spring. Eels, the snake-like fishes, spend their life in fresh water. When they grow up, they go to seas to lay eggs. When the eggs hatch, the parent seal die and the young ones return to the rivers from where their parents. Some butterflies also migrate. For example, some monarch butterflies fly from Canada to Mexico. Means student, you understand, big animals to small insect. Everyone is migrate for adaptation of particular region at particular time, but it is also come back to its home. Means in your family members, some members are uh, going to join a job service to another place, but his native is here, so they also come back. As like that way migration is happen in our surroundings, in our environment. In this part, you are learning about water animals, how they are breathed, and migration, how migration is takes place. This point you understand. Thank you.